Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. I am Kay. Today's video, we reinstalling a wig. I'm gonna remind y'all what it looked like when it was first done. I'm gonna try to make it look as close as how it looked when it was first done, but we're gonna see how I can do. But here is the wig. I just washed the wig and I'm gonna blow dry it and we can get started. Here's what we starting with. My wig is trying to run off my head, but I promise you in the end, it's gonna be so cute. I'm gonna start off with spraying my Got To Be Freeze spray around the perimeter of my head, and then I'm gonna cut out my ears. I was supposed to do that first, but yeah, I'm gonna do that a little bit later. Now I'm going to blow dry on medium heat with the medium fan. I'm gonna go through and blow dry on high heat. I don't got time to be waiting for this wig to dry, so we're gonna put it on the highest setting. I'm cutting off the excess cap. I am gonna have to peel some of it back to cut it off. I hate this part because it kind of hurts peeling it back, but we gotta do what we gotta do for this wig to look right. Excuse the chewing, but I'm gonna put the Ruby Kisses makeup on it so that it blends in with my skin. I'm using Ghost Bond glue today. I'm gonna go around the perimeter of the cap and my skin and place the glue on it, and then I'm gonna rub it in, and then I'm gonna put another layer once it's dry. I'm trying my best to hot comb the hair and the baby hairs out of the way so when I put it on it doesn't get stuck to the glue. I feel like this is always the hardest part with reinstalling a wig, so maybe next time I'll just cut the lace and cut the baby hairs out and make new ones to make it easier for me. It's finally time to put the wig on. So I'm just gonna, fail. I'ma just place the lace over where I put the glue and try my best not to get any hair stuck to the glue. Excuse some of these angles, they're gonna be kind of weird because I was just focused on getting this wig on my head. I wasn't even looking in the camera, but excuse that. But yeah, I'm gonna just go through and place the wig where it needs to go. Time to put my sweatband on. I'm gonna let that sit on my hair so the lace can melt into my skin for about 30 minutes or so. While the sweatband is doing its work, we're gonna style the hair. I was debating if I wanted to straighten the hair and bump the ends or if I wanted to curl it again, but I ultimately decided on wearing it straight and just like bumping the ends. But before that, we're gonna use the She Is Bomb wax stick. I'm gonna put that around my part and then I'm gonna go over it with my hot comb and then we're gonna style it. we doing big sections because I was over it at this point. I think it took me either somewhere between 2 to 3 hours to do this install. And this, I hate this flat iron. Like, it doesn't do what it needs to do. But I'm gonna just go through, straighten it, and then do something to the ends. All right, edges time. So I'm gonna just go through and find where the edges previously were. I'm gonna just comb them down, then brush them down, and then I'm gonna put some Eco Styler gel on it to lay it down, and then we're gonna be done. Alright, so I'm really about done. I'm trying to add like a little, like bump the ends a little bit because, I don't know. I think it looks better when the ends got a little bit of a curl to it. Is this hot yet? Let me get this. Y'all, this not even on. What am I doing? Okay, but I think I could have cut some lace because it's kind of, I don't know, it's heavily plucked, so I probably could have cut some lace. The other side edges, I can barely find them, but it's not really gonna show. What do y'all think so far? I'm liking it. I'm thinking, like, it's noticeable in the light, but like with this ring light, but it's really looking like blended good. And the hair looks a lot better now that it's washed and conditioned from before, because it was starting to get nappy. But I think I did a good job. I'm getting better at this. I'm getting a lot better at this. But I'm gonna just go through and try to do something to the ends. I already started, but some of them are still straight. And I'm gonna show y'all like, well, I guess in future videos, I'm gonna show y'all me curling this hair. But for now, I'm just wearing it straight. Wearing it with some volume in the ends bolt. But let me know what y'all think. Maybe I should make it so it fall like this. Alright, I'll be back. Alright. This is the results. I'm sick of being in this bathroom. I'm ready to lay down. I don't know. It's like a piece of hair that's kind of throwing me off over here. But whatever. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know how I did. Let me know if you have any tips. I'll show y'all in another lighting too. I guess I can do that now. But yeah, let me know if you have any tips, suggestions, whatever. Let me not show you my messy closet. But I'm really liking this color. I'm liking how it turned out. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.